Solve the exponential equation for x. In this equation, you can see an expression with x in the exponent of this term. In order to solve the equation, you need to remove x from the exponent and then solve for it. With exponential equations, the most obvious way to take the x term out of the exponent is to take the logarithm of this expression, and in fact to take the logarithm of both sides of the equation. But you should look for ways of simplifying this process. Here's how. 125 can be rewritten as 5 cubed. So this changes the equation to 5 to the x thirds equals 5 cubed. Notice that with this form of the equation, both terms have the same base, 5. When you have an equation like this, simply create an equation using the exponents. Like this, x over 3 equals 3. Solving for x, we multiply both sides by 3 and we get x is equal to 9. When solving exponential equations, look for ways of rewriting the expressions so that they have a common base. When you do that, you can write an equation using the exponents.